Hey photographers, last week's video we talked all about tracking your expenses. So this week I want to talk about something else that is just as important, tracking your income as a photography business owner. Knowing how to track these two will be key to your business growing financially. Here's the thing, if you don't have a system in place to track your income, it can lead to a lot of unnecessary stress, especially when tax season rolls around. Plus, knowing how much you're making helps you plan for the future, set goals, and let's be honest, know if you can finally splurge on that lens you've been eyeing. So in this video, we're going to be covering why tracking income is essential, how to track all your income streams, and simple tools you can use to stay organized. Hi, my name is Heather, and I'm a wedding and senior photographer based in PA. On this channel, I love educating other photographers about taxes and finances as a small business owner, and I'm so excited you're here. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to start tracking your income like a pro. This video is brought to you by my 45 Goals to Your First Year in Business guide. Starting out your photography business can be overwhelming, and your main focus is to shoot as much as possible. But if you're not marketing yourself correctly or not setting your business up on a firm foundation, it may fall into the statistic that 80% of businesses don't last past year 3. This guide will walk you through 45 tasks to accomplish in your business in the first year. From marketing to camera skills and networking to workflows, this guide will help you set your business up for success so you are ready when the inquiries start rolling in. You can grab the link to this free guide in the show notes. Just like last week, let's start with the why behind tracking your income. The first thing is taxes, taxes, taxes. The IRS requires you to report all of your business income, not just what comes through PayPal or Venmo. If you don't have an accurate record, you risk underreporting your income, which can lead to penalties, or overreporting, which means paying more in taxes than you should. The second reason is understanding your profitability. Your income is half of the profitability equation. When you know exactly what's coming in, you can compare it to your expenses to see if you're truly making a profit or just staying busy. And then the last reason is goal setting. How can you plan for the future if you don't know where you're starting? Tracking your income helps you set realistic goals and measure your progress over time. Now that you know why it's important, let's get into the how. The first thing you want to do is make sure you track every dollar. This includes client payments from weddings, portraits, or other sessions, payments from second shooting gigs or freelance work, income from print sales or product upsells, revenue from online courses, workshops, or other side income streams. If money hits your account, it counts as income, even if it's just a small print order. The second thing to do is separate personal and business accounts. If you don't already have a separate business account, go open one today. Keeping personal and business income separate makes it so much easier to track what's coming in. And the third thing to do is document payments immediately. Don't wait until the end of the month, or worse, the end of the year, to log your income. Record payments as soon as they hit your account. Make sure to track the date, the amount, who it's from, and what it was for. A big thing to note is you don't have to track income manually. Here are a few tools that can make your life easier. The first one is accounting software. Programs like QuickBooks or Wave can automatically track your income when you sync them with your bank account. And a bonus is they also help with expense tracking too. It's a 2-in-1 deal. The second thing is spreadsheets. Now, if you're just starting out, a simple Excel or Google sheet can work wonders. I've created an income and expense tracking spreadsheet for my business called the Tax Prep Spreadsheet that you can grab in the show notes to get you started. It already has formulas in place to total up your numbers monthly and yearly as you input them. And then the third option for a tracking method is your client management software. Platforms like Honeybook or Dubsado not only help with contracts and invoices, but also track your payments so you can see all your income in one place. The big thing to remember is that if you get paid outside of your CRM, you will need to track that income separately since it won't show up but still needs to be filed. Now, before we wrap up, let's go over a few common mistakes I see photographers make when tracking income. The first one and biggest mistake is forgetting cash payments. If you accept cash payments, make sure you're recording them. They count as income just like any other payment method. Second mistake is not keeping payment records. Always save your invoices, payment confirmations, or bank statements. These will be crucial if you ever get audited. And then the last mistake is mixing up business and personal income. I know we've already talked about this, but it's worth repeating. Keep those accounts separate to save yourself a lot of headaches later on. And that is the basics of tracking your income as a photographer. Not too bad, right? By having a solid system in place, you'll save yourself time, stress, and even money. Plus, you'll feel so much more confident knowing your finances are in order. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more tips on taxes and finances for photographers. If you have questions, drop them in the comments and you may see it as a future video. Lastly, don't forget to grab my 45 goals for your first year in business guide so you can start your business on a solid foundation and focus on what you love doing, capturing memories for your clients. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.